Yo, what it do, man? It's your boy back with another video, and it's your girl. Come on, man. Look where we at, man.
We're in Miami. We're about to get on a helicopter ride for the first time ever.
Ooh, for the first time ever, man. We getting on a helicopter ride in Miami for the first time, man. We ain't never been on a helicopter. It's probably like our first time getting on a plane to come here. You know what I'm saying? We kind of fitted up today. So hold on.
And I'm wearing my heels, but
She gonna have the heels on, so don't worry. You gonna see the helicopter.
let me show you him. Yeah, all black.
Hey.
Backpack,
Come on, man. You know, some valet parking, you know what I'm saying? So they just brought their car. So we're gonna go ahead and get in this car right now, and then we're gonna see what it do from there, man. I'm ready. I think she's ready, man. You can see us come on our first helicopter plane ride. It's exciting, man. Seeing the whole Miami. It's lit. All right, man. So we out here.
We here finally.
Yeah.
It took an hour to get here.
It did.
We thought we was gonna miss it, but we made it just on time.
This looked like an army camp, like a battleground or something like that. Finna go check in right now, though. You know, we ready, man. We finna take some pictures too. Y'all gonna see them pictures too, man. I'm excited, man. We're gonna see what it do. Let's go. Name?
Hey, my name is Raj.
Alright.
And today we'll be looking at Miami from the bird's eye view.
How long you been working here?
I've been in aviation as an aircraft mechanic and pilot for about 5 years now.
Okay. What do you think the best part about working here?
The best part is the only job you can get paid to walk through a glass or a window.
That's good.
Yeah.
Hey man, we ready? Look like you ready too. Ooh, we're about to see what it do.
Right there, you see there's a blade that's spinning at the back. If you walk with it, it will kill you, so don't walk to the back. Always walk to the front. When the helicopter lands, do not come out until I open the door for you. And when I open the door, I'll guide you forward of the helicopter, never to the back. The front there is this much leg room. The back there is this much. So
Okay,
you
take the front.
Okay.
yeah.
Hopefully y'all can still hear us because it will get kind of loud. You know what I'm saying? I'm kind of scared of these little chopper things, man. He told us not to walk too close to it, but check it out. Trying to get on.
like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, way oh, oh. You got me singing. Way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, way oh, oh. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh. Way oh, way oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh.
Oh, we're off of the helicopter.
We just went on a helicopter ride.
We just went on a helicopter ride, man. We seen all of Miami. It was lit, man.
We saw people's houses. We saw celebrities' houses and shit.
Man, I'm gonna try to pinpoint the houses, man, but we just seen LeBron James' house. He was talking about Oprah Winfrey and everybody. They had their own little beach houses, man. It was crazy, it was crazy. What we gonna do, we're gonna take these pictures. Y'all gotta go follow our Instagram so you can see when we post our pictures, man, because we're gonna post some helicopter pictures and it's gonna be lit, so you know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta go see these pictures that we put up there right next to that, man. So that was about it. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling like I'm living life in Miami.
Living life in Miami.
Life! We're living life out here.
That's what I like to hear, man. Yeah, so that was about it. It was really, really fun. I think that was the highlight of the trip.
It was.
You think it was?
Yeah, it was.
Okay,
We got to
okay.
see all of Miami.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Maybe in
That's
30
true.
minutes, right?
But what about the parasailing in the middle of the ocean? You feel like that was
No.
top that one too?
No, this topped it off. This
Okay.
topped it off. Because I've never been on a helicopter ride, but I've been parasailing before.
True.
You get me?
Make sure, because I do got a lot of videos coming, make sure you stay tuned for all these videos. And we just took some pictures, so y'all gotta go tap in with our Instagram. I'm gonna put it down in the description
Yeah,
below.
go look at them pictures. They
Go look at
come
them
fly.
and subscribe to both of our channels. That's gonna be down.
Simply CC.
You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Go. That's gonna be in the description below.
Yeah.
But without further ado, I think we hungry. So what we finna eat?
You said sushi, right?
We eating sushi?
Oh yeah, the pilot said to go to the sushi place, so I think we're gonna go there. He said it's his favorite place in Miami.
Okay. We gonna go with the pilot suggestion with the sushi, man. Without further ado, we go.
Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.